what was your experience with Edmodo?
Fantastic.
Fantastic.
What was your favorite thing about MySciLife?
I enjoyed the
Prompts. They were fun.
commenting of the post.
And putting up the little memes.
And was it fun or
Yes,
boring?
yes.
it was
Yes.
probably better than science class.
Was there a lot of candy?
Yes.
Yes.
And
Did you
How did-
learn? Like,
Yes, I did.
I learned, and
Tracheas
that's
are
coming
cool.
from me.
how do you like interacting with other organisms?
Fantastical. It was awesome.
Mm-hmm. And how did you think the other people were?
Cool.
Fun.
Okay, thank you for your
you.
input.
No problem.
The end.
What is MySciLife?
MySciLife is when you take up an identity of a science concept.
So we picked 4 science concepts, and I chose animal cell.
And I chose plant cell from the first day.
Then we chose animals, and I chose a emperor penguin.
And I had a deer. And on the third day we had
Rocks.
rocks. And I had granite.
And I had marble. Then on the 4th day we chose organs, and I chose brain organ.
And I was the heart.
And then on the 5th day we continued with our organs, and
We
we
just
concluded
Yeah.
the project, which is
And I
today.
took survey. And everything was good.
Would you keep in touch with the people in it after
Yes.
today?
They were nice.
Yes.
We learned a lot from them also. It was a great experience, and they're very nice kids.
Would you rather do this than sit in science class?
Yes.
Do
Agreed.
this. MySciLife. Aside from picking an identity, what else did you do?
Aside from picking the identity, we did certain modules in which we had to research certain topics, and there was a little notifications bar where you could reply to other people.
Sean, what did you do?
There were these things called prompts where they would put out like some random question about like your organism is having like a fever or it's going through the flu. How will your organ respond to that? And if you answered them correctly, you would get like a badge, which is like a little medal. And
Cool.
Could you describe Edmodo?
Edmodo's format was like Facebook.
But it was an educational Facebook for kids, and there wasn't any, like, bad
Shenanigans?
stuff.
Real people.
Yeah, it was real people.
And we talked on Edmodo like we were actually the identity.
Hmm.
So if we are an animal cell, you'd be like, I am dividing right now.
And all of our comments were educational.
Yeah.
This is Sophia's brain identity. As you can see, you can post things. These are questions. And
It highlights it yellow if you haven't read it yet.
yeah, and you can post pictures. And the main thing we learned a lot about was that how to cite websites and pictures.
Copyright is a dangerous thing.
Okay, and what were the memes?
It's really fun because you get to make memes or memes about certain topics.
During our brain breaks, we got to eat candy. We would go on outside to take field trips.
Ooh,
What?
got in the bushes.
What?
It's a wombat.
oh my god!
It's a wombat.
Yeah, fun stuff like that.
We had to pick a rock, and here is Sophia and Mackenzie
There's a rock.
picking them up. Sophia found
gold.
one.
I
She
found
found a
bark.
rock. And Mackenzie found bark.
This is our conclusion to MySciLife.
I thought MySciLife was very educational and an easier way to learn.
I thought that it was a lot of fun meeting the other people and commenting and stuff.
I thought MySciLife was very interesting, and it helped us learn a lot, and it's way better than sitting in the classroom being bored by the teachers.
I liked getting to meet new people.
4 modules. Modules.
Module.